Would y'all believe me if I told you I just took this motor out? Well, actually, that's the old motor right here. I think one of the rods or something snapped in it, because it'll turn like halfway and then just lock up. But if anybody ever pulls a motor and trans out together and pulls the trans away from the motor with the torque converter still on, you run a risk of pulling the input shaft out a little bit. And that's what happened to me. I wasn't aware of that. My buddy Joe come over and helped me get it straightened out, because like for 2 days I was stuck trying to get the torque converter back in the transmission. But it's all done now. I'm about to put the hood back on, finish filling it up with antifreeze, and that's it, job done. And this is the first Mustang I ever did, so I know a little something. All right, y'all, take it easy.